students, welcome to online class. Welcome once again. This is Smita Mishra. Today I will teach you class LKG maths. Remembering numbers 11 to 20. Remembering students, in previous video I will teach you numbers name about 1 to 10, and in this video today I will teach you numbers name about 11 to 20. So see this work, join the dots and write the numbers. यहाँ पे ये जो डॉट्स दिए गए हैं इनको आपको ज्वाइन करना है, यानी मिला देना है और आपको नंबर्स को राइट करना है. ठीक है, तो चलिए हम पहले इन सभी नंबर्स को रीड करते हैं. ठीक है, this is 1 1 11. What is the spelling of 11? E L E V E N. 11. E L E V E N. 11. 11. Okay, and 1 2 12. What is the spelling of 12? T W E L V E 12. This is 13. 1 3 13. T H I R T double E N 13. 1 3 13. And 1 4 14. F O U R T double E N 14. F O U R पहले आप 4 की स्पेलिंग राइट करेंगे, फिर T डबल एन टीन, वो तो सब में लगेगा. 13 14 15 इन सब में टीन के स्पेलिंग आप पहले लर्न कर लेंगे. उसके बाद FOUR 4 T डबल एन टीन, THIR थर्ड T डबल एन टीन 13. एंड नेक्स्ट इज 1 5 15 FIF T double E N 15. FIF T double E N 15. Okay, so let's start writing. See this work. Do just like make a look here. Make a standing line. And again make a standing line. Okay, and then after you have to write down E L E V E and 11. Okay, and again draw once more 1 and 1 11. It's called standing line, and again standing line. It is 11. And next 1 1 11 and 1 1 11 1 1 11. Do just like always make a standing line, 2 standing line, and then after draw a 11 numbers. Okay, and next write down the numbers name in words. E L E V E N. ELEVEN 11. And next 1 and 2 12. Do just like 1 2. Again make a standing line, half curve and sleeping line. Make a standing line, half curve, again make one standing line, draw half curve and then sleeping line. Once again make a standing line, and then after half curve, after the sleeping line. Okay, it is 2 and it is 1. 1 and 2, 12. What is the spelling of 12? T W E L V E. T W E L V E, 12. Once again write down the 12 spelling of 12. T W E L V E. It is 12. And next 1 3 13. So do just like make a standing line and then after draw a half curve, after then once more half curve. It is 3. 1 3 13. Again draw a standing line, draw a half curve, and then after once more half curve. It is 3. 1 3 13. 1 3 13. 1 3 13. 1 3 13. And what is the spelling of 13? T H I R T double E and N. T H I R T double E N, 13. And next write once more spelling of 13. T H I R T double E N, 13. And next it is 14. 1 4 14. And do just like 1. It is slanting line, sleeping line, and is standing line. Again draw a standing line, slanting line, then after sleeping line, and then after standing line. Draw once again standing line. It is 1. And next it is slanting line, it is sleeping line, and it is standing line. Again draw a standing line, slanting line, sleeping line, and a standing line. Small standing line. Again draw a standing line. Then after slanting line, it is sleeping line. It is a small sleeping line, standing line. Sorry. It is 1 4 14. And next, how to write the spelling of 14? F O U R T double E and N. डबल ई मीन्स दो लेटर्स, एक ही लेटर दो बार लिखे जाएं, उसको हम डबल वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. ओके, डबल मीन्स दो. अगेन सी दिस वर्ड F O U R T double E and N. F O U R T double E N, 14. And next one, it is 15. Today I will teach you only 11 to 15. And in next video I will teach you 16 to 20. Do you understand? So this is last number of today's work. 1 5 15. F I F T double E N, 15. 1 5 15. So how to write 15? This is standing line. This is sleeping line. Again small standing line, and then after half curve, left curve. Okay, so do just like 15. 1 5 15. Again draw a standing line, then after sleeping line, again a small standing line and draw a half curve. Standing line, sleeping line, small standing and half curve. Standing, sleeping, small standing and half curve. Okay. Again standing, sleeping, small standing and half curve. Okay. And now start the spelling of 15. What is the spelling of 15? F I F T E and N. FIFTEEN 15. All letters in capital letters. Always in this page you have to write down in capital letter. Always use capital letter in 3 lines. Did you understand? And next and last word is 15. How to write 15? F I F T E and N. I have done today's work. So student, you have also finished this work and learn properly and write properly. So I think you have to understood very well. And thank you.